In this video, we'll be discussing few tips and tricks of remembering the names of the drugs and their mechanisms of actions. So I will discuss three examples in this video. The first example is about a drug known as vigabatrin. Now vigabatrin, this is a drug which is used in the treatment of epilepsy. Now if I want to remember the mechanism of action of this vigabatrin, the mechanism is hidden in the name itself. If you carefully look at this word and try to see where is the mechanism hidden. If I want to look at the individual alphabets, I will mark I, then I will mark GABA, then I will mark TR, and then I will mark inhibitor. So vigabatrin, I will now rewrite it as vigabatrin. Trin. So vigabatrin is irreversible GABA transaminase inhibitor. So the name of the drug will tell you what is the mechanism of action. So vigabatrin is irreversible GABA transaminase inhibitor. So this drug inhibits this enzyme called as GABA transaminase, and the level of GABA increases. That is the mechanism of vigabatrin. Let's move to the second example. The second example that I will talk about is a drug called as, second example, the drug called as aprepitant. Now again, if I want to read the mechanism and understand how does the drug works, again this is one other example where the mechanism of action is hidden in the name itself. So here I will mark A, P, R, E and A, N, T. So now I'll write this word again. So A, P, R, E, P, I, T, A, N, T. So aprepitant is a substance P receptor antagonist. The substance P is also known as neurokinin. NK1. Neurokinin NK1. So aprepitant is a substance P, also known as neurokinin NK1 receptor antagonist. So remember, aprepitant also tells you what is the mechanism of action in the name itself. So this is the drug used for the treatment of chemotherapy induced nausea vomiting and also post operative nausea and vomiting. So these two examples that we discussed, the mechanisms are hidden in the name itself. The third example that I will discuss about is a category of drugs called as orexin receptor antagonist. So orexin receptor antagonist, these are the drugs which are used in the treatment of insomnia. So the examples of orexin receptor antagonist are suorexant, filorexant and almorexant. Now if you again look at the names of these drugs, now I will again divide this word. I will take it out SUV, FIL and ALM. And the second word is orex. And the third word is ANT. So ANT stands for antagonist and orex stands for orexin receptor. So orexin receptor antagonist example include suvorexant, filorexant, and almorexant. These drugs, their mechanism of action can be remembered by carefully reading the names. So these are orexin receptor antagonists used in the treatment of insomnia. So this is how some drugs help you to understand their mechanism of action if you read these words carefully. Thank you.